while making the potato pancake video. Grease was splattered everywhere, and you can easily wipe this with soap and paper towel. But if you got the steamer ready, why not use it to save yourself some soap? And this part won't easily come off without a bit of harsh something, either scrubbing or detergent. This is the underside of the drip pan where things tend to bake on, and the steam cleaner will help a lot. I think the HomeRight SteamMachine, getting this rim cleaned up. First, let's do the reasonable thing to do, which is to wipe away the still liquid, the grease. Get the off a paper towel. Again, I recommend the use of paper towel over rags because they're disposable, and you can use as much as you want. You don't have to wash them or spread the dirt around. Just give it a good wipe, and got the handle too. Didn't get the knobs so I can't see it, but we'll steam clean those as well. Yeah, the knobs look pretty clean. I'm all armored up using triple layer of disposable gloves since I'm gonna be dealing with grease, and I got earplugs in ears. The heating elements and the drip pans are in the sink. That's a better way to wash them, but let's get started. Get the excess water that's in the hose out. I got this nylon brush hooked on instead of the copper brush which would scratch the surface, and you don't want that. Doing a good job at getting this baked on grease. Let's get this part from the red cabbage stain. Okay, disappeared. Since it's steam, you can get every nook and cranny. I think this is the maximum this rim can be cleaned. The other is pretty much permanent. Can't get off. Just in case the oven door. Now, this is pretty much clean already. I cleaned it right before making the pancake video. There is the Paterna's vegetable spiral maker I used. Here you can see this was cleaned with the steam cleaner and it looks exceptionally clean, shiny, speckless. Gets the hidden dirt out of every hidden place, the seams, every. Now get some paper towels, wipe the water away, and it's pretty much done. But there's a problem here. There's this over here. There's a pool of water at this drip pan, the main one, the base of the heating elements, and that will need to be taken out, so I can use the little green Proheat to remove this pool of water. And yeah, get all that rust out, since it's not gonna be enough using these paper towels. Let's continue wiping. Steam gets everything, some of the rust there. The good thing, you can wash the heads, but if they become too worn out, they're replaceable easily. It looks like brand new. That's it. The walls, you can do the walls as well. Doesn't seem to be anything on it. So one thing to note is you should have the vent on while using this steam cleaner, but for the purpose of this video I'll leave it off. The little green Proheat is gonna be used as simple wet HVAC, and yeah, it has no head hooked on it. Takes care of that problem, and you can just finish off with a paper towel, and voila, you're done. All the grease is removed, the scrubbing was minimal, and no detergent used. So, and with the help of the green vac, all the water was easily sucked up, and no consumables were used to get the water extracted. And that's it. Thanks for watching.